Hey YouTube, it's our first day at sea and we're officially in vacation mode. Drinks are flowing and the mini golf is calling. Go free, go free. And oh yeah, someone is about to pop the big question. Join us for day 2 aboard the Carnival Dream. Good morning. It is day 2. We still have a baby asleep and a husband in bed, but he got up and got us breakfast this morning. And yes, so it was a long embarkation day. We have like 18 people in our whole group. So I have my aunt here, my cousins here, my cousins' friends, my mom, my dad, my grandma, my sister. Everybody's here, so we're having a lot of fun. But it was a lot to get everybody through, but we got through. And I haven't explored the ship yet, so I want to do that today. I'm definitely going to go to the Fun Aboard show, because what is it? Fun Aboard, Fun Ashore, and Aboard show? Something like that. They give away free stuff, so we got to go to that one. We're headed to the Fun Aboard, Fun Ashore show. See, I got it right that time. So the cruise director is going to tell us about like all the activities and shopping that goes on the ship and in the ports. And the best part is you can win free prizes. I won a free drink package before, so I would definitely encourage you to go.
Raffle ticket. Yes, ma'am. This is one per cabin, so keep this coupon and drop in the ticket in the raffle box.
Sounds good. Thank you. And the box is up there. Yes.
Look at all the tables. Look at all the things we still have to give away. MJ, this is good. We also have our Dream Studio on board. They are amazing. They're gonna take you across the ship on a personalized photo shoot. Is anyone celebrating maybe a honeymoon? Oh, congratulations! Anyone celebrating an anniversary? Oh yes! Even a divorce, anyone? Yeah! So make sure, you can go around the ship, get, a new Tinder profile photo. Like, they make it really personalized for you. So check it out. They are amazing. You know what?
Y'all, we didn't win any prizes this time. I'm bummed, but we're gonna take the chance to get a photo with our amazing cruise director. This is high enough. Yeah, I went to 12. Well, he can't have his hamper on.
I know. I said that little sprinkler thing over there. You got your water shoes on. Yeah, just in case. Just in case.
I was running around chasing.
Walk away.
Look at your card, and at the very bottom, there's a tab. Lift up those tabs, and that is going to randomly select 1, 5, 1, 3, 2, Thomas D.
You already know what time it is. Baby drop off. About to drop the baby off with the parents. Mama, what did we just drop off with you?
A baby.
Baby drop off. How did we drop DJ off with parents and then we ran into DJ?
Low. Low.
I want the little bonus thing. Come on, come on. Ooh. 90. Okay, let's see if we can get more than 90. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, it didn't hit. Come on, one more time. It didn't hit. It's okay. I think I just won 90 though. Oh, I have another turn. Oh, 90. I won 90, y'all. Winner. I just won $90. Yes. Elegant night. Look at my baby looking nice.
We're going out for elegant night. Look at my beautiful wife. Oh,
Did you say white?
wife.
Y'all know we have to come to the Alchemy car. Sidecar. Two, please. Two, please. Sidecar ready? Thank you. All right. Our first sidecar of the crew. DJ.
Will you marry me?
In the way.
Rotate!